day number 4. Let me see. And I got a lot of nice, cool stuff out there for you right now. So, let me show you what I have thus far. And once again, for those who don't know, I'm setting up this store. I also have it on Skool still too, because that's a nice community. If you want to ask me a lot of questions, you can still go over there. I still got some free prompts for you, and I got some paid ones also. But let me go down the list. This is what it looks like on the mobile. For those, this is my stand store / Lorenzo McCoy all together. But I got the 30-day health and wellness reset blueprint, which for those of you who remember, that's my course where I drip out daily videos for you to teach you how to eat right and get in shape. This one I have for free. Let me take this off. This one is free. It's the put yourself in these YouTube thumbnails called a Tasty Pack. But I guess I should show you some of those pictures. Let's see if I can. I can go to my Skool account and show you a little bit better. Some cool little thumbnails to make your uh, visual business look a little bit better. Let me go here to my classroom on the Skool account. And for those of you who do go to the Skool account, this is Let's Get Healthy and Wealthy. And you go to the classroom, you'll see like the basketball videos I put up every week. But you go down to the same one. It's free on both of them, the Skool and the stand store. But I'm pulling this up just so you can see how it looks. These are the different prompts you have inside of there. Let's see. So like the first one, your face will be right there in that hood, deleting the video. Basically, let people know this video will be deleted in a timely fashion or whatever. But when you click on that, you'll be able to download the prompt. And once you put it in Pixels, the website, the AI Pixels, you'll be able to have your face in there. So it's got this one. Your face will be on this one also. As you see, that's all in Hamilton, the person I learned a lot of this stuff from. That's called Hey Teach. Pop Smack. Right here. So every single one of these I'm showing you once you get that one. And I made that one free for you for right now. So you can go and start playing with it. Right here, the teacher, or the what's that called? The wise mood, and the standalone. It'll put you in that crowd right there. But that's what AI is all about. It's about now. If you try to do that yourself in Photoshop, I'm not saying you can't do it. It'll take a lot longer than just putting in a prompt and putting up some pictures of yourself, and it's already done professionally. That's where we're at right now with AI. So let me go back to my store, show you everything I have for you. And I'll keep making them and keep sending me emails or DMs for what you might want to try. And I'll switch it up, certain ones that are free right now, I'll make it paid, then the other ones I'll make for free, just so you get a chance to play with it. Stand store, to go to my app. Okay, so I got the 30-day reset. I got the put yourself in these tasty YouTube thumbnails. That's free for right now. Another free one is get more Instagram followers. It's that one right there. All you gotta do is put your name and your email in there, and you'll get it for free. Get your New Year's health and business reset. Now this site. I've been struggling a little bit trying to see if I want to niche down or not, but I got to do health and wellness together. Maybe that might be my downfall. We'll see. but I think it goes hand in hand. We lost a lot of very good people, and I know if people had a little bit more money, they might have not been depressed. And also, money sometimes is an excuse for why people don't want to do better and eat healthy. I'm at the McDonald's right now using the Wi-Fi because I just got off the bus this morning and I've been here all day just getting this done. If I go home, I'm going straight to sleep. You know how that goes. But there is a way to clean your body up no matter what you put in it. Now you can't eat this stuff every day, of course, if ever. I do digress from that. Okay, the Discipline Reset Trio. Now check this one out. This one I made. It encompasses body, focus, and income. So this one is a paid one, but I'm giving you one for free for mind and body. But there are three prompts that you can put in Chat GPT, and it will be like your personal coach, mind, body, and making money coach. We've got the 30-day smoking cannabis habit breakaway system. I made this for a lot of family members and loved ones who want to stop smoking. They want to get in shape, they want to live longer, but they can't put the cigarettes down. And we talk about exercise and walking and all of that, but forget all that. You got to put the cigarette down first. No matter if you're trying to eat better and all of that, if you're still smoking, you're just messing everything up. So I wanted to make this prompt. I've been wanting to make this for a while, so I got it done today. That's in there right now. The squat reset, right here. There's a lot of us that are adults that can't do a basic squat. Now, I tore my meniscus, and I know it can be hard. You can get injured through sports, and some people just get old, just don't squat anymore, and you lose that ability. So I've got a prompt here that you put in chat, and it'll be your personal trainer to help you safely do a natural human squat again. That's very, very important to me. That's why I put it in here. The hybrid fast reset. Now I'm gonna give a shout out if you watched some videos I did earlier this year. Chris James from his YouTube channel is a healthy alternative. Now, I was listening to him talk about hybrid fasting. Now, that was something I used to play around with myself, but he has it more dialed in and he has a lot more evidence just from having his clients do it and himself do it. So I came up with a prompt using that information. So I'm always going to give people their credit because I think it's a great idea for those of us who want to use fasting. But you get burnt out after a couple of days. It's hard to do it for 30 days. So this is a strategic fasting without burnout. And it's using dry fasting, liquid fasting, and the mono fasting that he talks about. The next one is the Chat GP 5.1 Elite Business Prompts. Very good bundle. The Ultimate Sales Page Replicator. It's for landing pages and things like that. The Membership Landing Page Prompt for you who might already have a school, but you need a nice landing page for it. 100 Business Revenue Prompt. That's 100 business prompts. Design, price, and launch high ticket offers for those of you who might want to sell something for a couple of thousand to $100,000. It helps you format it correctly. The 100K membership architect GPT. So you want that membership for those high paying people, or you just want a membership that's going to make you 100 grand. That's the prompt you'll use also. 10 social media sizzle packs for creators. The sales system power pack, make a powerful lead magnet. You got the offer alchemy gold pack, turn skills, ideas, and prompts into real offers that make money fast. You got the build my whole business in Notion so you can see how your business is set up and how it flows. Write YouTube scripts that convert, very powerful. And one I just added because I'm about to go to sleep. I've been up all night traveling. The sleep reset. So it's a prompt that you're gonna put in, and you're gonna Chat GPT is gonna be your personal coach, helping you get more sleep and finding out why you're not getting any sleep at all. So that's what I've been doing today, guys. Every single day, I'm gonna keep adding a lot more. Of course, keep messaging me. If there's one, even if there's an expensive one in here, I don't mind letting a couple of people use it. But if I make it free for you, all I ask is that you use it for real, try it out, and then let me do an interview or just write me some information about how you did with it. Was it helpful? Was it not? Or whatever. As long as you do that, you can tell me which one you might want to try, and I'll make it free for you. Once again, this is Lorenzo. I'm about to hit the sack. It's been a long night and a long day, but let's do this. This is our year. This is the year of AI, and you don't have to get ran over by it. I'm going to help you use it to make your life better. All right, peace.